Unfortunately, there's no electricity today. So, ngayon na, ibablog ko na lang itong ating paparazzi. Ayan, he's so busy fixing the car. So, dito na. And ako naman, busy naman dito sa bukod. Char. Since there's no electricity today, so ito nga yung pinagkabalahan ko because my brother gave me a young coconut, and yeah, I am craving for this, and it's expensive right now here, the coconut already, you know, from 25 to 35. At yan nga guys, nasira ko yung bagong kutsilyo ng aking paparazzi. Nako. Yan oh, nasira, OMG, dahil sa boko. So, ando na nga siya guys. So, I'm so lucky talaga kasi si Rick is a very handyman person. Ayan. Ayan, he know how to fix the car. He's a auto mechanic. At ito nga yung kanyang ginawa. So, he ordered a fog light from Amazon. And we waited for a week. 7 days before it arrived. At ito nga guys yung fog light. Kasi nang binili niya to, hindi yan, walang fog light. So, what he did is, hindi ko na na-video kanina ha, pero yan ang ginawa niya. So, I think it's already, it took 2 hours before everything is done. So, right now, ayan, pulling up the wires, and that is the most sensitive part of the car. And ayaw naman nga sa akin magpatulong. Talaga naman, ayan, siya talagang gumagawa ng lahat. He don't need anybody. He don't need help. He can do it by himself. Perfect. Ayan. So, that is one reason na talagang napapamahal to. At mahal naman ito ng aking paparazzi. Ayan. Yeah. So, ito nga guys. Ayan. Diba? O, pakita ko sa inyo, naglaylay pa yung mga wire talaga. And while I'm doing that car, so ito nga naman guys, yung dito kami. Ito yung apartment, okay? So, if you're coming to Sorsogon, kung group of 5 kayo, 10, 20, 30, pwede kayo dito, okay? So, yan yung hospital. And then, there is dark yellow gate. Ayan, dito kayo mag-inquire. So, 5 units of apartment. So, each apartment, iba-ibang capacity. So, kami naman guys, nandiyan kami sa Unit 4. So, ito namang aking paparazzi. Gusto niya ng may privacy talaga. Yung sarili na may driveway para hindi nakaka-istorbo sa iba. Kaya medyo naghahanap kami ngayon ng medyo mas malaki. Although, the best thing about this place, it's very accessible for everything. Everything. When I say everything, everything. Starting, since that is the national highway, okay? You just go out. If you don't have a car, you don't have a vehicle, just go out from that gate and there's a trike, there is buses. Ayan, you can just hop in. Okay, so that apartment apartment number 2 is good for 20 bucks, 30 bucks. I'm not so sure about it, but this one also 10 bucks. Ayan, this is for family, and even this for just couple or 3 or 4 can fit. And at the back there's another one. So balikan natin itong ang aking paparazzi. Ayan oh. Ayan, so busy talaga. Super pawis na siya. Maya upo na siya. Since wala nga guys ng kuryente, so napagkasundoan na talaga namin na ito yung gagawin niya. He already make it a plan. And ayan, dito lang ako tingin-tingin. If he need help, he will just tell me. So ayun, good talaga. Sundan nga natin kung anong gagawin. Sabi, magaling talaga siya sa magaling siya sa auto. Yan. Oh, diba? That's I'm following. If you just take it. Oh, dear me. Parang sipag na Rick. And actually, I'm happy because when he get this this is trade in, trade out from Toyota. Ito talaga yung gusto niya. So, para naman may mapagkaabalahan siya. Kasi if he buy a brand new, wala siyang pagkakaabalahan. Everything is in good condition. So, gusto ko din na ganito kasi may pinaglilibangan siya. And that is the most important thing. You know, life keeps moving. We keep going. We keep planning what to do for the next day. And I'm very happy with that. Samantalang ako nga, guys. Ito, yan. Yan, pakain-kain lang. Painom-inom lang. Ayan. So, yan na nga, guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung iba. So, maraming salamat. Ayan yung aming ganap ngayon. Araw ng Sabado. Ayan. And, guys, so, ito nga, tinitingnan ko kung nakailang steps na ako. O, diba? So, thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more upcoming videos and update. Goodbye!